Hi, it's in front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should just hold for a while the home screen with your finger. So just you should hold the free space. After that you'll see here the widgets icon, just tap on it, and after that we'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, we can see the Gmail application has two different types of the widgets. The Google Drive, the 4 of them. The calendar gets also 4 widgets, so let's just add one from them. Let's use like the schedule, the list. Just to add the widget, tap on it and tap to add button. If you want to move widget between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. By the same way, we can create also the new screens with the widget. Just hold the widget and drag it to the right side of your screen. If you want to resize it, just hold it, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. As you can see, that's so simple. And just to remove it from the home screen, you should hold it and then tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.